One of the earliest ideas for generating images from a written description was to use captions. If deep learning models are so good at describing what they see on the image, maybe we could reverse the process too. Most images on the internet are accompanied by textual descriptions, so it only makes sense to train AI not only with images, but also with their corresponding captions. Being trained on the pairs of images plus descriptions, the model learns to extract important features and their relationships with one another. Of course, this is done using numbers, and not just numbers, but vectors. They are coordinates of particular concepts in the multidimensional space. The duck, for example, can have a myriad of characteristics or dimensions. It's a living being, a bird. It's typically small. It can walk and swim and fly. Each of these characteristics is a separate dimension, and the word duck is placed somewhere in the space. Now, the word duckling is very similar in meaning and shares most of the same characteristics, so it would be placed very close to the word duck in the same space. Other animals might be close too, while humans can be a bit farther, and words for different objects or even concepts even farther from them all. There are thousands of images of ducks the model is trained with, and they're all pretty different representations of the same thing. To simplify matters and make similar objects closer to each other, we reduce the dimensions and place data into a latent space, a compressed and more abstract representation of the original multidimensional space. This way, thousands of ducks with their own set of characteristics become one idea of a duck that shares them all. This way, when tasked to generate a duck, a model doesn't copy any particular image from the dataset, but crafts a completely new one from the combinations of the characteristics that it captured.